Marley da Costa on her stomach. She's getting used to being on her stomach now. And she's sort of learning how to work herself around. Look at that. Very cool, baby. Very cool. Shall I say you flip to your stomach again? Whee! Good girl. Yeah, check out that frog. Good girl. You're such a clever girl. Okay, we're not walking yet. Are we, Marley Bubba? We're not walking yet, but, you know, crawling, walking, rolling. I think this is the first step. Look at her. Look at the way she goes. Good girl. Good girl, little Bubba. Good girl, little Bubba princess. Oh, here she comes.